Hello everyone. Next week in maths the children are going to be using addition. So they're going to be learning how to add a one-digit number to a two-digit number. Their in-focus task on the first day is in front of you, and the question is 25 plus 3. So we are going to teach the children that there are three different methods to use when adding. And the question is, how many apples are there altogether? So the sum is 25 plus 3 equals question mark. So I'm going to show you method 1 now. Method 1 would be using our 100 square, and you would be counting on from 25, so 25 and add 3. So we start at 25 and we count up 3. 1, 2, 3. And so you can see there that 25 plus 3 equals 28. So that is method 1 using our 100 square and just counting on. Method 2 is on the next slide. This is when we are just counting in tens. So 25, we know that 25 equals 2 tens. And then we have plus the 3 apples on their own, and then we count the 5 that are in the basket. So 5 apples plus 3 apples equals 8, so 8 ones. So this is method 2, we're counting the tens first. So 2 tens plus 8 ones equals 28. So they're partitioning the tens and ones. The next method that we are going to use is using our dienes to help us add. So they are just going to be adding the ones first. In the last slide, they started by adding the tens, so method 3 is just starting to add the ones. So I have laid it out here, as you can see, in the column method. We'll be showing the children how to do this also. So they count their ones first. 5 ones plus 3 ones equals 8 ones, and then they can see that they only have 2 tens. So they add it down here. 5 ones plus 3 ones is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. So it's 28. So there are the 3 methods that we are going to be using next week for all our addition. Here is a slide that you could try with the children if you like, and they just have to count on using the 100 square. So the first one is 50 plus 8. So I'm going to find 50 in my 100 square, 50, and you can show the children that they can add on just the way we did on method 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 50 plus 8 is 58. So I'm going to do another one now. I'll do C, 60 plus 10. So find 60 on our 100 square. They know that they have to, if the 100 square goes down in tens, so 60 plus 10 is 70. So you can try the rest A to H with the children if you like. Another lesson that we're going to be doing in class is to add tens by recognizing its relationship to adding ones. So, for example, if 3 plus 2 equals 5, we can then say that 30 plus 20 equals 50. So, we have 3 trays here. 1, 2, 3, and then we have another 2. Okay, so there's 5 trays in total. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So then we have donuts here. Okay, so instead of counting each individual donut, we can just count the first row, and we might count them in twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I know my first row of donuts is 10. So now I'm going to add 10, 20, 30. So I know that 30 plus 10, 20. 30 plus 20 equals 50. So then you can explain that 3 plus 2 equals 5. 30 plus 20 equals 50. And you can try these with the children. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. 40 plus 20 equals 60. As I said earlier, we will be using the column method in, that was method 3. So this sum here now, the addition is 22 plus 17. So that is 2 tens, okay, and 2 ones, 22, plus 17, 1 10 plus 7 ones. So now I'm going to add my ones first. You always start with the ones. 7 plus 2 is 9. 210 plus 110 is 39. Same as this. 31 plus 42. Put my 3 in the tens column, put my 1 in the ones. Put my 4 in the tens column, put my 2 in the ones. Now I'm going to add my ones. 1 plus 2 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 tens is 7. So my answer is 73. Then we will have a challenge questions for the children. They have to explain how they get the total number of donuts. So I would explain to the children that the best way would be to count, they could count in twos. So we'll do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so if this one is 10, this tray will be 10, this tray will be 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. So that is how I would show for the total number of donuts. So I hope this has helped you and you can show the children a few of the questions and they can get some practice in before we start our addition on Sunday. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.